What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we are finally back up at the cabin in New York. So today's video is just gonna be a lot of enjoying the weekend, riding the four-wheelers, and having a good time. But before we get into it, enjoy the freaking intro. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. This is freaking America Day, that's why. So we have the Honda Rancher, the Yamaha Warrior, and then the Yamaha Kodiak. Tex? Alright, so we are up at my camp, my parents' camp up in Prattsburg, New York. It's in the Finger Lakes area. I'm not sure if you guys are too familiar with the area. It's near like Bath, New York, if you're not sure where that is. We're like an hour south of Rochester. I know some people have been asking about the four-door Wrangler. We do have some modifications coming in this week for the Jeep to kind of transform everything. Ultimately, with the Jeep though, with having obviously a 16-month-old daughter and another baby coming in July, lifting it is kind of out of the equation for right now, but it is going to happen. Well, unfortunately, all good things come to an end before you even start. Pretty sure the clutch is shot in the Warrior. Not a good thing. I'll show you guys here in a second. Well, this is where she's gonna sit. I don't want to drive it any further and mess up the training. So I don't even honestly want to even put it in gear so you guys can see when it finally does want to go into gear. That's frustrating. So now we're gonna have to tear the Warrior apart. Well, that's just perfect. Just trying to have a good time. And it'll engage into first, and then as soon as I go to get on it a little bit, just to move it the slightest bit, it just kicks itself out of gear. It won't engage into any gear right now, so we'll have to figure that out soon. Shit. The hell are you doing? Alright, so it is the next morning. It is pouring raining right now. We are getting ready to load up and head back home, but I'm actually going to be bringing the Warrior with me. We're going to tear it completely apart, do a complete rebuild, Honestly, I'm not necessarily a fan of the black and orange that I did last year. So honestly, we're going to switch things up and just completely redo everything. But the Warrior will be back hopefully sooner than later, running better than ever. Oh, I really love rain. So, you guys give me comments down below what you guys want to see the frame. I'm going to get all new shocks and everything all the way around for this thing. Let me know what color you guys would like to see the frame, what color you would like to see the wheels, and what color you guys would like to see the plastics. I do have something in mind, but I do want to hear your guys' opinions. I'm gonna try to engage in the gear for you guys, but I don't think it's gonna do it. All right, so I know a lot of you guys are gonna be a little upset that I'm gonna do this, but it's gonna need replaced anyway. So right there, it locked into gear. It's kicking out. I kick it up to second. Just not looking very good, but we do luckily have somebody back home that has parts Warriors. He has 3 parts Warriors, so we might have this up quicker than we thought. All cinched up and ready to go home. So we have a 4.5 hour drive home ahead of us. If this was your first time watching a video on the channel, hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Look forward to continual videos of the Warrior, because honestly, it's coming home today. It's going to my garage. I'm gonna pull the motor. I'm gonna pull everything out, completely take it down to frame and redo everything. Plus, like I said earlier in the video, we've got a couple Jeep mods coming this week. Till next time, guys, tell your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.